deep.
Welcome to DaSpiritual Bombs presents. Blessed Queens, welcome back to DaSpiritual Bombs, your sanctuary for sacred self-care and spiritual truth. To my returning sisters, you know this is your spiritual home, and to those joining us for the first time, know this: here, your soul is seen, your power honored. Why cleanse what you cannot see? We cleanse our bodies with water and soap, yet too often our spirits carry unseen weight. This weight, it's energy residue born from every interaction, every worry, every shadow cast by others. You may not see it, but you can feel it. Heaviness in your chest, exhaustion without cause, a cloud hanging over your joy. Cleansing is not superstition. It's sacred self-respect. When you clear this invisible clutter, you make space for your light to shine unhindered. Who is this for? This ritual is for the queens ready to reclaim their sovereignty, for those who feel burdened by invisible weights, and for those who understand that caring for spirit is just as vital as caring for the body. Whether you're new to spiritual practice or seasoned in sacred ways, this is your invitation to renew and protect your energy. How often should you cleanse? Like sleep, cleansing is a sacred rhythm, not a one-time event. Aim for weekly cleansing, a ritual reset to keep your energy vibrant, and in times of turmoil or heavy emotion, cleanse as often as your spirit calls for it. Remember, your spirit deserves regular tending, not just emergency care. Ritual options, your 7-day cleansing journey. Here is a menu of powerful cleansing rituals. Choose the ones that speak to you or blend them through your week. Day 1, smoke and sound. Reset, burn sage, cedar, or your favorite cleansing blend. Walk clockwise through your space, whispering, only energy aligned with peace and purpose may dwell here. Ring bells or singing bowls to shake loose stuck energy. Day 2, saltwater aura wash. Add sea salt and a few drops of essential oil to your bath or shower. Visualize energy dissolving. Speak, I wash away what's not mine and welcome in peace. Day 3, sweet energy infusion. After cleansing, replenish with rose petals or honey in your bath. Invite softness and love back into your space and spirit. Day 4, candle of clarity. Dress a white candle with rosemary and oil. Light it as you journal what you release. Affirm, I am light within light, untouched by shadow. Day 5, home clearing. Sweep and mop your space, imagining all stagnation leaving. Open windows and say, peace, you may enter. Chaos, you must go. Day 6, restorative silence. Turn off screens and distractions. Sit in stillness and breathe. Hear your spirit whisper. Day 7, gratitude plus affirmation ritual. Light incense. Speak your affirmations. My peace is sacred. My energy is mine. My spirit is my home. Sip herbal tea and rest in your renewed frequency. How should you feel after cleansing? You may feel light, clear, calm, as if a heavy cloak has been lifted. Sometimes feelings of release bring tears or emotions. Honor them as part of your healing. Remember, cleansing is a process, a sacred journey, not a quick fix. Patience and consistency honor your spirit's rhythm. How long does cleansing take? Your ritual can be as short as 10 minutes or as long as an hour. The power lies in your intention, not the clock. Closing affirmation: I walk in light, I rest in peace, and I rise in my own divine rhythm. You are the sovereign keeper of your energy. Tend to it lovingly, fiercely, and without apology. For those who don't know me, my name is Julia, founder of DaSpiritual Bombs, a sacred space devoted to holistic healing, self-restoration, and spiritual empowerment. For over a decade, I've guided souls through cleansing, manifestation, and ancestral reconnection, helping each person rediscover the strength within their own spirit. My work blends traditional wisdom with modern spiritual balance because healing isn't just about ritual, it's about remembrance. If this message spoke to you, honor that feeling. Subscribe to DaSpiritual Bombs for more teachings, guided rituals, and sacred self-care practices. Visit the website to explore handmade spiritual tools and learn how to cleanse, protect, and align your energy every single day.
Rising higher, awake the soul, ignite the fire, energy flows pure and brighter, guided by spirit.